Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how to cook gungo rice and peas from the tin. Alright, now I have about half cups of water, half pan of water. Now what we're gonna do is get 4 cans of gungo bean. So what I did, I pour off the water from it. So that's 3 tin. It's supposed to be 14, chef. I'm looking for the other tin, but if we don't have another tin, we don't need to worry. Alright, so we got 14. Now we're gonna get 2 cans of coconut milk. Just 2 cans of coconut milk in it. So what you want to do, you want to make sure you got 3 cans of gungo bean and two tins of coconut milk I'm using. Secondly, I'm going to put a Scotch bonnet pepper into it. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some fresh Jamaican thyme into the pot like this. Thirdly, I got some spring onion I'm going to be using. And I have some all-purpose season. Roughly 1, 2, 3, 4 cloves of garlic. Black pepper. A little bit of salt. If you got some pimento seed, you can add it to it, but I don't have any. And what we're going to do is just give this a stir. And we're going to allow this for it to boil. But before we do anything else, let's get 1 garlic, 1 onion. just gonna simply taste it to see. Wow, that is amazing. That is fantastic. So this is part one of how to prepare your beautiful Christmas gungo rice and peas water. All right. Now, part two, I will show you how to add the rice and cook it. Look forward for that video also. Stay tuned in with Chef Ricardo.